Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a CapCut zoom in, zoom out tutorial. Let's begin. So once you've opened up CapCut, you're going to locate the video that you want to zoom in and zoom out of. So we're going to use this one, for example. So what we need to do first is we need to go to the right side here where it says transform. Now the right side of transform, look for the keyframe option, the button there, and then we're going to select it. And as you can see there, it has added in a keyframe. And now what we need to do is we need to go to the end of the video or somewhere close to the end. And then we need to add in another keyframe. So go back to the same place and select the button there. Now, in order to create the zoom in effect, we are going to go to the last keyframe that we created. And then what we need to do now is we need to increase the scale. So here's the scale right there. And we are going to increase it just like so. Now, if we go back to the beginning of the video, you're going to see that it's going to zoom in.
Life is a series of peaks and valleys, a journey that tests our strength.
Now, if you want to create the zoom out effect, you're going to go back to the scale, then select the last keyframe. And then what you need to do is just decrease the scale there as so. Then once it's done, you can go back and then see that it's going to zoom out now.
Life is a series of peaks and valleys, a journey that tests our strength.
And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.